we've got some more news surrounding the FCC fee updates that have been coming hot and heavy from the channel here lately. There are some gotchas, some bad news, I guess some bad news with the already existing bad news for the FCC fees. This is Steve KM9G, and I've got two bits of information for you. One is if you are applying for a vanity call and you do not get the vanity call that you want, they will keep your money. You will not get a refund for not getting the call that you wanted. In a previous video where I discussed how to get vanity calls, I mentioned that it's probably best, unless you're dead set on getting a very specific call and you're willing to pay the $35 and learn that you can't have it, it's probably best to put in for a variety of vanity calls that you would be happy with for your one-time fee and almost guarantee that you get one instead of pay $35 for each vanity call that you've invested a lot of time and thought into only to find out that you don't get it and you've lost your $35. If you have a felony and you apply for a ham radio license and you're not the recipient of a license, they will keep your $35 fee as well. Also, if you do not put in your paperwork in the appropriate amount of time, they will capture the fee there as well. So that's a couple of bits of news for you. Unfortunately, it's not good news, but it is what it is, folks. This is the world that we live in today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry you didn't enjoy this video. Either way, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for being awesome.